Right. Just give in Google search Selenium download. Okay. So as usual, the first link what you get is everything about Selenium. It's an official site. So people who are developing Selenium, they give all the updates in this site for you. Okay. This is the link. In this page, so you come to this downloads tab. Okay. This is all about Selenium. This is official website. Come to the downloads tab, and let me take here you see in downloads tab. Yeah, this was the we are looking. If you are writing if you are coding your Selenium and C Sharp, then download C Sharp related one, and Ruby this one. Now we are using Java, right? So download this link. Yeah, let me take screenshot of this. Fine. Okay, download this. When you download, it will automatically get. I have it in my machine. It will come in zip format. Okay, and you extract it. That's all. This is a jar file. Just some 30 MB. It will be there. I think. Download this jar file. So once you download into your machine, okay, that's all. That's only you need to do. Now come back to your Eclipse. Here you need to make the configuration. Now you successfully downloaded it. Only thing is configuration left. Okay. And yeah, before that I forgot to tell one more thing. Once you download Java, if it is Windows 7, then it's fine. If it is XP or Vista, or I don't know about Vista and Mac, you need to set environment properties to know the system where the Java is actually pointing to. Okay, it's very simple. Go to the C. Once you get Java folder, you may get JDK or JRE. If you have anything, that's the fine, no issues. Open JDK or JRE. Open the bin folder. Copy this path. Come to my computer. Right click. Properties. Advanced system settings. Environment variables in advanced tab. And here you create a new path. Okay, use this button to create a new path, and variable name you give as Java home. Not required, I think. Wait 1 second. That's not required. So check for the path variable in the system. These are system variables. Okay, so check for path variable. Yeah, this is the path variable, and see that give one semicolon at the end. Please be very careful to this. If you change a little bit, the entire system will go for toss. Okay, so just give one semicolon and paste that bin path here. Control V. That's all. Like this. Control Z. Okay, got it what I'm saying? See, I have done it earlier. When I have this machine for first time, my path was still here only. I gave one semicolon and I gave path till bin. This one. Okay. Open JDE or JDK or JRE, anything. Go to bin folder. Copy this entire path. Again, I am saying my computer. Right click. Properties. Basically, you need to go to advanced system settings. And okay, here what happened? environment variables, check for path variable, give one semicolon at the end, and copy the path. That's all. Okay. So that your systems know where exactly Java is pointing to, and it will take the Java from there for your smooth execution. If not, again, after downloading Java also you may get error saying that JDK path is not set up for environment variable. You will get that error. If you get that, go and set the path here, then it will work smooth. Okay. So fine, that's download Javas. I will write here set environment property. First you need to do these two things, then come and download here. Check these two links, set environment, then download Eclipse and then Selenium and then open Eclipse. So now how to create a project in Java.